On behalf of Regional Development Australia, RDA Gold Coast, I'm Dan Hunges of Edge Marketing, and I'll be interviewing industry leaders in the additive manufacturing, or AM industry. We're here at PWR Advanced Cooling Technology, right here on the Gold Coast today, to discover how AM can complement existing manufacturing processes and learn about real-world manufacturing cases where AM has helped transform organisations, products and service offerings. I'd like to introduce Matthew Bryson, General Manager of Engineering at PWR. Matthew, PWR is recognised as a world leader and provides world-class cooling solutions by manufacturing high-performance products to leading race categories and teams such as Formula One, NASCAR and V8 supercars. What impact has AM had on PWR here on the Gold Coast, and what is happening in your industry?
Additive manufacturing is yet to be largely adopted by industry as a mainstream manufacturing technique for heat exchangers. This has previously been challenged by the maturity of the technology to compete with the typical wall thicknesses of conventional heat exchanger technology in non-porous material structures. But we see this gap closing in recent years, now to the point that additive is a competitive option in certain circumstances, and it provides a design and packaging freedom that no other manufacturing method can offer.
As I understand it, PWR works with several other industries aside from motorsport. What do you see the future of AM is with PWR here on the Gold Coast relating to your core industries?
Core industries away from motorsport will be niche OEM automotive, battery and electronics cooling, and aerospace and military. The key to additive introduction at PWR is adding yet another manufacturing option to an already significant list of capabilities. I would already say that PWR offers the broadest range of manufacturing skill sets in one business that I've ever seen in Australia, and additive manufacturing is an obvious next step. It's already proven to be a relevant production manufacturing process, but our investment in additive now is as much about starting the learning process of materials management, design, manufacture and production experience based on current technology levels today to ensure that we are skilled and ready to take full advantage of where the technology is going to be in the future. We wish to ensure that PWR remains several steps ahead of any of our competitors with additive, just as we aim to always be with our existing technology.
I'm now talking with Kelvin Wee, the Sales Director with Materialise. Kelvin, Materialise is a Belgium-based company and is a leading global 3D printing technology and AM group who has moved its Australian headquarters from Sydney to the Gold Coast. Can you explain what Materialise do?
Materialise, we're actually a Belgian company. We specialise in additive manufacturing. We've been doing that for the last 29 years. We provide services as well as software and engineering services to companies around the world.
So we would love to hear why Materialise decided on locating to the Gold Coast over Sydney, and in particular the Health and Knowledge Precinct.
Well, Materialise's mission is to create a better and healthier world using 3D printing technology. So if you look at what Gold Coast is doing, especially in the health precinct, that's something that's in line with our mission. And the weather in Gold Coast is awesome, so we decided to move there. And also the support from the local government as well. It's one of the main reasons why we've moved to the Gold Coast.
I'm now joined by Ralph Frohwerk, who is the Global Head of Business Development at SLM Solutions, an integrated solution provider with their headquarters in Germany. Their focus today has been on real AM industry applications to demonstrate the advantages of no design limitations to grow customer businesses. Ralph, could you explain how SLM is achieving this?
Yeah, thanks for this. SLM Solutions is a global provider, developer of this SLM technology, selected laser melting. So we developed this technology, but we learned that our success depends on the success of the customers. That means on the part which you can get out of the SLM technology. And that makes really the difference. We want to give the customer a chance to achieve really completely new designs. So what we try to do, we support customers more and more to help them in the design. That means we would like to be a solution provider to create it in a totally different way, in a better way, with more function, to give the customer really the chance to grow their business by using this new technology.
So Ralph, what industries are you working with on the Gold Coast and what sort of work are you providing?
Yeah, the Gold Coast is really a new area for us in Australia. We are already successful with the implementation of our technology here. And so here we have really a chance to work with one of the leader in the automotive industry, with PWR, in combination with the University of Griffith. So, and we like this kind of team working, this networking, because at the end, the success depends on this. So we try to support them really in all areas what they need in the whole value chain, again, to make it happen, to get success out of this AM technology.
It's great to hear the exciting steps our local businesses are taking to identify themselves as world leaders in their industry, and also why companies such as Materialise are choosing the Gold Coast as their Australian base. RDA Gold Coast are proud to be presenting this story, and we look forward to hearing more about the additive manufacturing industry on the Gold Coast.